Welcome back to Easy Way to Learn Maths. Today in this session we will discuss about chord, length of the chord, chord of contact, pole and pole off. Here length of the chord. What is the chord? Chord is nothing but the line joining of any two points. The line joining of any two points on the circumference of the circle is called a chord. Now, length of the chord is nothing but AB bar. Let it should be 2x. Now, let us draw a perpendicular from origin, from center to this chord. Let it should be T, and here CB is nothing but radius. If the length of the chord is 2x, then it bisects, and hence this part is nothing but x, and here it is r. Now it is nothing but this perpendicular, here it is 90 degrees. Then it is a right angle triangle. Now applying Pythagoras theorem, then r square is equal to square of the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of the other two sides, that is equal to d square plus x square, and therefore x square is equal to r square minus d square. Then x is equal to square root of r square minus d square. Then AB bar, that is nothing but length of the chord, is equal to 2x, that equal 2 into root of r square minus d square, which is the formula to find the length of the chord. 2 into root of r square minus d square, where r is the radius and d is nothing but the perpendicular distance from center to the equation of the chord, perpendicular distance d. Now, if theta 1 and theta 2 are the 2 points on s equal to 0, theta 1, theta 2 means here parametric equation is nothing but minus g plus r cos theta 1 minus f plus r cos theta sin theta 1, and similarly minus g plus r cos theta 2 minus f plus r sin theta 2. Here theta 1, theta 2 are the parametric form of the circle. Then the equation of the chord joining the points is, this is the formula: x plus g into cos theta 1 plus theta 2 by 2 plus y plus f into sin theta 1 plus theta 2 by 2 is equal to r into cos theta 1 plus theta 2 by 2. Here in this problem the angles are given, some 30 degrees, 60 degrees, like theta 1 equal 30, theta 2 equal 45 or 60, like that. Now chord of contact. Chord of contact, here if the tangents drawn through P x1 y1 to a circle S is equal to 0 touch the circles at points A and B, then the secant AB bar is called the chord of contact. That is nothing but let us draw two tangents from this point, external point, so that here it is point of contact A tangent, here it is B. Then this secant passing through A and B is called chord of contact. That means at the point of contacts we are drawing a secant which is called chord of contact, and this equation of chord of contact is S1 equal to 0. What is S1? S1 is nothing but xx1 plus yy1 plus g into x plus x1 plus f into y plus y1 plus c is equal to 0. Now, if p x1 y1 is the midpoint of chord AB, here it is nothing but here p x1 y1 is the midpoint of the chord AB of the circle S is equal to 0, then the equation of secant AB, that is nothing but this is the line. Equation of this secant AB is S1 equal to S11. Again S1 is nothing but xx1 plus yy1 plus g into x plus x1 plus f into y plus y1 plus c equal 0, and s11 is nothing but x1 square plus y1 square plus 2gx1 plus 2fy1 plus c. That is the equation of secant. Now let us come to the pole and polar. Here it is an important concept, pole and polar. Let us draw. What is the pole and what is polar? Pole means a point, polar means equation. Here, if any line drawn through the point P meets the circle in 2 points Q and R, then the points of intersection of tangents drawn at Q and R lie on a line called polar of P, and P is called pole of the polar. Let us draw secants. Secants means point of intersection. Here P is an external point. Here Q and R. From this external point, if we draw a secant such that it intersects the circle at 2 distinct points Q and R, and at these 2 points, let us draw the tangents. Let us draw the tangents. Then this is nothing but point of intersection of those 2 tangents. And again, let us draw another secant. Q1 R1, say the point of intersection. If you draw the tangents at these 2 points again, then this is the point of intersection. Similarly, if you draw secants through P again, say Q2 R2, then here we will get the point of intersection and so on. If you join the points of intersections of these tangents, they will become, or they lie on the same line. That is, these point of intersections are collinear. Collinear, that means points on the same line. Then this line is called polar. This line is called polar, and the point, this external point is called pole. This is pole, this is called polar. Okay. Now, polar equation of the circle is again S1 equals 0, where S1 is xx1 plus yy1 plus g into x plus x1 plus f into y plus y1 plus c, which is S1 equal to 0. And again, the pole of the line Lx plus my plus n equal to 0 with respect to this circle, x minus 0 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square is equal to a square is minus a square L by n minus a square m by n. That formula. The pole of the same line with respect to circle here is in general form, x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2f plus c equal to 0 is minus g plus lr square by lg plus mf minus n minus f plus m r square by lg plus mf minus n. These are the basic points which we are going to discuss today. Now let us solve some problems. Find the length of the chord intercepted by the circle x square plus y square minus 8x minus 2y minus 8 equal to 0 on the line x plus y plus 1 equal to 0. Now we have to find the length of the chord. The formula is 2 into root of r square minus d square. We have to find the values of both r and here the given circle. Given circle x square plus y square minus 8x minus 2y minus 8 equal to 0. Here 2z is equal to minus 8, 2f is equal to minus 2. Therefore g is equal to minus 4, f is equal to minus 1 and c is given as minus 8. Now let us find the value of r, where r is the radius, is equal to root of g square plus f square minus c, that is equal to root of 4 square 16, 1 square 1 minus of minus 8, that is nothing but plus 8. Therefore that is equal to root 25, which is equal to 5. This is the radius. Now you have to find the value of d. D is nothing but, now let us find the value of d. D is equal to perpendicular distance from center is minus g minus f, that is nothing but 4, 1 to the straight line x plus y plus 1 equal to 0. What is the formula for perpendicular distance? Modulus of ax naught plus by naught plus c by square root of a square plus b square. Formula for perpendicular distance. Now let us substitute. Therefore that is equal to modulus of, in place of x you have to substitute 4, and in place of y you have to substitute 1. Therefore 4 plus 1 by square root of, a means x coefficient. Here x coefficient is 1 and y coefficient is 1. Therefore 1 square plus 1 square, that is equal to modulus of 6 by root 2, which is d. Now therefore length of the chord is equal to 2 into root of r square minus d square, that is equal to 2 into root of r square is here, r is 5 square is 25 minus d square 6 by root 2 whole square, that is equal to 2 into root of 25 minus 36 by 2, that is equal to 2 into root of 25 minus 2 18 minus 18, that is equal to 2 root 7, which is the length of the chord. Find the chord of contact of 0, 5 with respect to the circle x square plus y square minus 5x plus 4y minus 2 equal to 0. Here the equation of chord of contact is S1 equal to 0, that is xx1 plus yy1 plus g into x plus x1 plus f into y plus y1 plus c equal to 0. Given x1 y1 is equal to 0, 5, and by making use of this circle let us find the values of g and f. Here 2g is equal to minus 5, 2f is equal to 4, then g is equal to minus 5 by 2, f is equal to 4 by 2, which is nothing but 2, and c is minus 2, c is equal to minus 2. Let us substitute in this equation. Therefore xx1, that is 0 into x, 0x plus yy1, 5 into y, 5y plus g into, g is here minus 5 by 2, therefore minus 5 by 2 into x plus 0 x1, then f is here 2 into y plus y1 is 5, c is minus 2 is equal to 0. That implies, let us simplify. Here LCM is 2, therefore 2 5s are 10y minus 5x plus 4y plus 20 minus 4 is equal to 0. That implies, now simplifying, minus 5x 10y plus 4y plus 14y, then plus 20 minus 4 plus 16 equal to 0, or 5x minus 14y minus 16 is equal to 0, which is nothing but the chord of contact. Next, find the polar of 1 minus 2 with respect to the circle x square plus y square minus 10x minus 10y plus 25 equal to 0. Here also same condition. Here the polar equation is also S1 equal to 0. Therefore, given x1 y1 is equal to 1 comma minus 2 and 2g is equal to minus 10 implies g is equal to minus 5, 2f is equal to minus 10 implies f is equal to minus 5 and c is equal to 25. Again s1 is equal to 0 implies x1 plus y1 plus g into x plus x1 plus f into y plus y1 plus c is equal to 0. That implies x1 means 1x x minus 2y g into, therefore minus 5 into x plus 1 f into, again minus 5 into y minus 2 plus c is plus 25 is equal to 0. That implies, now let us simplify, plus x minus 5x, therefore minus 4x, here minus 2y minus 5y minus 7y, then constants, here minus 5 plus 10 plus 25, 25 plus 10, 35 minus 5, therefore plus 30 is equal to 0. That implies, let us take minus 2, then okay, here is 7, so simply 4x plus 7y minus 30 is equal to 0. Next, let us find the pole of 3x plus 4y minus 45 is equal to 0 with respect to the circle x square plus y square minus 6x minus 8y plus 5 equal to 0. Here we have to make use of this formula, that formula. What is the formula for pole? Minus g plus L r square by Lg plus mf minus n. Lg plus mf minus n comma x coordinate, then y coordinate minus f plus m r square by Lg plus mf minus n. It is the formula to find the pole. Now let us substitute all these values. Here the given line must be compared with Lx plus my plus n. Lx plus my plus n is equal to 0 given. Then L becomes 3, L is equal to 3, m becomes 4, m is equal to 4 and n is equal to minus 45. Again, by using this circle we have to find the value of r. Therefore, here 2g is equal to minus 6, that implies g is equal to minus 3, 2f is equal to minus 8, that implies f is equal to minus 4 and c is given as 5. Now let us find the value of r. Therefore, r is equal to square root of g square plus f square minus c, that is equal to square root of minus 3 whole square minus 4 whole square. Therefore, 9 plus 16 minus c is here minus 5. Therefore, that is equal to root 20, 25 minus 5. Now, let us substitute all these values in this formula. Therefore, pole. What is pole? Minus g. Here g is given as minus c. Therefore, minus g means 3 plus L r square. L is 3, r is equal to root 20. Therefore, r square is equal to simply 20. Therefore, L r square 3 into 20. 3 into 20 by Lg plus mf minus n. Lg 3 into minus 3 minus 9 plus mf 4 into minus 4 minus 16 minus n. Here n is minus 45. Minus n becomes plus 45. Plus 45 comma. Next y coordinate minus f, that is minus of minus 4. 4 plus here m r square. M is 4. R square is 20. Therefore 4 into 20. 4 into 20. Again same. Lg plus mf minus n. Lg plus mf minus n. Therefore same value. Minus 9 minus 16 plus 45. Now let us simplify. Therefore 3 plus 60, 23 are by here. Let us observe 16 plus 9, 25, minus 25 plus 45 plus 20, comma here also 4 plus 24 are 80 by 20. Therefore that is equal to 23 are here, 24 are 3 plus 3 here, 4 plus 4. Therefore 6 comma 8, which is the pole. With this we conclude this session. Thanks for watching.